Hi there, Elam here, and I want to talk to you about the 6 lessons I learned about the starting and building businesses. And if you want to start or grow your business, you should avoid these mistakes. And this is the mistake number 6, not managing your time effectively. In building a business, it is super important to develop strong time management and productivity habits, because there are a lot of things that you have to deal with, and you don't want your business to suck you in, right? Well, I talked about number 1 moneymaker activity in your business in mistake number 3, and as you probably know, these are a series of 10 videos about the mistakes that you should avoid in starting and growing your business. So make sure you watch all of them. Now, when you learn to put your main focus on your marketing, which is your number 1 money activity in the business to maximize your income, and at the same time you learn the productivity techniques to manage your time properly, when you do both of them, that's when you're really going somewhere. So learn time management and productivity to be able to really enjoy both life and work. We have a program called Get It Started Project, where you learn how to start an online business from scratch with no initial capital. Many people have joined me in this project. If you're one of them, I'm very glad to have you there. And in this project, you will receive Rescue My Time Action Book, which is the best quick time management and productivity guide I know to help you increase your productivity, so you can finish your work in a shorter time, and consequently you can create extra couple hours a day to spend on your business. And if you haven't joined me there and you're interested, just email us at ask@elhamed.com and we will tell you how to get it started there. Okay, just some little productivity tips for you here. Number 1, don't start your day by checking your emails. You have more important things to start your day with. Number 2, check your emails just twice a day. So if you work 9 to 5, check your emails around 11 a.m. and once later around 3 p.m. Number 3, the first really matters, so start your day healthy. Number 4, write your next day plan ahead. Write it down, just don't keep it in your mind, okay? And be realistic. You can finish maximum 5 major tasks a day. So if you want to live a happy life and have a good business and you enjoy it, you must learn time management and productivity techniques. Okay, this was the mistake number 6 in starting and growing your business. Don't forget to watch the other 9 videos about the mistakes you should avoid in building your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.